XRP is about to make a very massive move, not only XRP, but the entire crypto market. We have been crashing for just about a week. And honestly, we have been going down for the most part, all cryptocurrencies since about March. So since about March, everything has topped out. Bitcoin topped out in March, and we've continued to form lower lows, lower highs. Ultimately, we've just been chopping around. Summer months, markets will typically go down, chop around. There's not a lot of liquidity. But in September, all the institutions, all the hedge funds, they come back. And at the last week of September is when typically in having seasons, having cycles, is when the bull market starts. So I believe the bull market is about to get started very, very soon, maybe sooner than we are all expecting. But something very, very important I need to share with you. So everything follows Bitcoin. Yes, XRP follows Bitcoin, Dogecoin, every single cryptocurrency follows Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has corrected massively this past week. It was absolutely crazy. You guys didn't see much videos from me because I'm a day trader. I was trading. It was crazy. I just didn't have any time or energy to make any videos. But look at this. Bitcoin, this key level here from July 5th, basically the 4th of July. We crashed all the way down here, had a huge crash. And guess what? The same exact level, we have come and found a massive bounce. And all the people in my Patreon, we long the very bottom of Bitcoin and altcoins across the board. We are up in huge profits. Look at this. My group sniped the bottom again. It's a tweet. Long alert, Bitcoin, $53,000. Bitcoin's above $55,000 now. Possible swing entry. I said buy alerts across the board for altcoins. So guess what? I made a fortune longing at that very moment. And I'm still holding on to trades now, which are just incredibly in profits. But I need to share with you something that's happening on a technical level that is going to blow your mind. So I just literally made a tweet and I shared it with my group, the Patreon. You guys can have access to that by joining the Patreon. The link is in my video description. But look at this. I said here, Bitcoin is now approaching resistance. If we can break above this level, we're going to see a swift move to $57,000 to $50,000 very, very quick. And altcoins are likely to see a 10 to 20% move if this happens. If we zoom into the charts, we could see it's happening right now. Bitcoin has finally, honestly, just seconds away, Bitcoin broke above the resistance. Crazy volatility. It's back above now. Just some crazy volatility taking place. Futures just open. But if we can break above and hold above this, which I think is quite likely, Bitcoin is likely to see a huge pump, about a 10% move in the next couple of days, which translates for altcoins a 10 to 20% move, and probably for XRP. If we take a look at XRP here, something very interesting is I'm very confident the bottom is in for XRP. This was the crash July 5th, and ever since we formed, even after these big crashes for Bitcoin, which XRP has held up against Bitcoin even stronger than Bitcoin. I can show you guys the XRP Bitcoin chart here. This is the XRP Bitcoin chart. It's continually moving higher. It's trending upwards. That's very bullish for XRP. Getting back to XRP, I think the bottom is in. No matter if Bitcoin crashes another 10, 20%, I still think the low is in at 38 cents. I do not think we are going to go to that level or break below it. It's possible, but it doesn't look very likely. I think maximum Bitcoin from our current level, if we keep crashing this month and correcting, which I believe is going to be the final shakeout, the final crash, the final correction, we could possibly go down another 10%, maybe 20% maximum, but maybe 10%, 15% is really going to be stretching it from the all-time highs to that type of level. Is just about a 33% move. So Bitcoin is finding strength. The market is finding strength. We are going to see a lot of crazy volatility. So expect that in the month of September. At the end of September, October is when bullish months really, really kick in historically, financially, for all financial markets, stock market, Forex, everything is going to be very, very bullish in my opinion. So if we go back to the charts here, Bitcoin is attempting right now to break above this level. What we want to see is not a quick pop above, which just honestly happened. We want to see a break and hold above this level. We want to start trending, making bullish market structure above this level. If this happens, then I believe we're going to get a very big move soon. And this is going to happen. After this move, I'm not so sure because September, we are still in September. It is still a highly volatile month. We have a lot of things happening. We have CPI. We had data this past week confirming a rate cut. We have rate cuts coming up in just about a week or so, 10 days or less. So a lot of volatility on the cards, ladies and gentlemen, but it is looking good. I do think we potentially have created a local bottom here for Bitcoin, which means altcoins and cryptos are going to be seeing green across the board over these next possible weeks. And of course, once we really get started, the next several months. We're going to be keeping a close eye on this. The bottom is not 100% confirmed, but if we can break above and hold for Bitcoin here, around 55,000, that's going to be a good sign. So tomorrow you see Bitcoin at 56,000. That's going to be a really good sign that altcoins are about to make a very big pop, because we've honestly just been going down very consistently since August 25th, just a massive downtrend, crashing, dumping almost every single day. We've been literally going crashing every single day for the past 2 weeks, but I believe that that is about to change. Whenever you start to see red just every day for a couple of weeks, guess what's going to come next? Green. I mean, if you go to the roulette board, you can understand if it lands on red 20 times in a row, it's going to be quite likely that we're going to see another color, the green color, whatever color the opposite color is. Make sure you guys are using ALGOSNIPER. It gave you the very buy alert for Bitcoin. It gave the buy alert for Solana at the very bottom. It gave the buy alert for XRP at the very bottom of this crash. It will also tell you when to sell before the market crashes on XRP. Give a sell alert here, 56 cents. It also gave a seller at 62 cents. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for $1 at algosniper.com. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are doing it over on Blowfin. It's a platform that me and my community trades on. It is the best, has the cheapest fees, and you can get up to a $7,000 deposit bonus by using my link below. That's going to be it, guys. Make sure you follow my Twitter. Check out the links in my video description, and also watch my free trading course. It's not those little scammy courses that are 10 minutes long, 30 minutes. It's my full trading course that I was selling for $1,000. And I'm now making it free because I just want you guys to have the knowledge and information that I have so you guys can make a lot of money like me. See you later.